Surprising your loved ones has never been easier. Now with the new Thermomix recipe platform, you can find countless recipe collections to help you with your menu planning. You can even plan a whole week of recipes. After the inspiration comes the guidance. You choose the meal and then you get a shopping list to make your cooking faster and easier. The entire process of cooking with Thermomix is so intuitive and so much fun that you'll be totally absorbed in what it can do for you. That's why surprising your loved ones has never been easier. It's so easy, you may even be surprised yourself. The new Thermomix has made a digital revolution in the world of cooking. With hundreds of certified recipes, you just have to follow simple steps and prepare what you've planned. It's that easy and fast. Even the kids can help. The new Thermomix is much more than a kitchen appliance. It is an exciting world full of inspiration, guidance and fun. It's all around you anytime and anywhere you need it. Thermomix. Cooking at your fingertips.